Exercise 1. Step back and wave arms. Shift your weight onto one leg. Step the other leg gently back. Now sweep your arms toward the direction of the back leg. Slow, smooth, and controlled. This movement improves your balance, strengthens your legs, and helps your body move with better coordination. Lift one knee up toward your waist. Bring the opposite elbow down to meet it. Now extend your leg forward, reaching toward your hand. Lower gently and switch sides. Movement strengthens your core, improves coordination, and helps burn calories while staying low impact. Exercise 3. Bend and open chest. Gently bend forward, nice and slow. Place your hands behind your back. Now lift your arms upward, opening your chest. This movement improves posture, opens your chest for better breathing, and releases tension in your upper body.
Modified Tai Chi March. Lift one knee and gently open your arms. Lower the leg and close your hands back in. Move slowly and stay balanced. This gentle Tai Chi March helps burn calories, strengthen your legs, and improve balance. Tai Chi knee lift with rising arms. Lift your knee to waist level. Keep your body tall and balanced. Now raise your arms gently as the leg lowers down. Key benefits: burns calories and supports belly fat loss. Improves balance and stability. Strengthens the core and legs. Increases hip flexibility.
Stand firm in a deep horse stance, feet grounded and stable. Slowly raise both hands upward in front of your body, guiding them toward your forehead. This movement improves balance, strengthens the legs, and enhances coordination. It also promotes energy flow through the body, helping to build focus and inner calm.
Stand tall and centered, grounding your weight into one leg. Lift the opposite knee upward while bringing your elbow down to meet it at the side of your waist. Keep your core tight and your movement controlled. This movement strengthens the core, improves balance, and builds coordination. It also enhances body awareness and promotes controlled, mindful movement. Stand upright and balanced, keeping your body relaxed. Bring both hands together in front of you. Then gently lift them upward above your head. Stretch through your arms, reaching toward the sky while keeping your shoulders soft. Gently raise one arm across your body, letting the shoulders soften as the arm floats over. Use your opposite hand to support the stretch, keeping your breath slow and steady. Release the arm down with control, allowing tension to melt away.
Slowly lean back just a little, opening your chest toward the sky. Feel a gentle stretch through your torso as your body expands. Return to standing tall, stacking your spine with control. This flowing movement helps improve posture, increase spinal flexibility, and open the chest for deeper breathing.